Welcome to Alphington, a leafy northeastern suburb in the city of Melbourne. I'm here today to check out a garden that was built back in 2018. It was designed with a family in mind and it envelops this newly renovated home. I'm Chloe from Been There Dug That. Let's go behind the garden gate. The owners asked garden designer Nadia Cole from Platalobium for a garden that was filled predominantly with Australian native plants, and they've achieved that beautifully. Now, being a corner block and close to parklands, the owners find that neighbours and passers-by often stop for a chat. So I love the fact that they've used a slat fencing with quite big gaps, which means that it feels open to the neighbourhood. And you'll often find the neighbours stopping for a quick chat as they walk the dog.